Hi everyone, my name is Julie and I'm a registered acupuncturist in Vancouver. And today I'm here with Haritia, who is trying her third weight loss acupuncture session. I have been practicing acupuncture for almost 20 years, and this protocol I learned when I was about to work on cruise ships back in 2005. I have found through those years myself, my personal journey, through car accidents, emotions, this treatment has helped facilitate, along with many other things, as we know, a 60-pound weight loss. So when it comes to weight loss acupuncture, it is multifaceted. First of all, we are harmonizing and healing the digestive system. We're working with the spleen energy for detoxification, how the stress from the liver affects the metabolism, how your brain reacts to cravings, and your reward center. So when it comes to this treatment, we are working on so many different levels. Coming into the leg points, we have our liver, spleen, and stomach points. We are also working locally to improve the circulation of the abdomen. Most individuals really want the electric stimulation that we're using on the lower abdomen. This is generally where women are colder, so it indicates less circulation. Having the electric stimulation is going to boost that, as well as in Chinese medicine, working with the spleen, stomach, and liver points, as well as the large intestine. A lot of times when it comes to our emotions, we store them in certain areas of the body, so it helps to release that, as well as looking at overall for women, perimenopause, menopause, when we age, it starts to slow down the metabolism. So this addresses that as well. Working with the ear, we have modern research points that will be retained for a week in between your treatments that you can then push to help stop cravings after treatment for that week.
As we watch the demonstration, I wanted to take a minute to go over the treatment plan. This protocol is best done at the beginning twice a week. And then once we start to notice the improvements, once a week is okay. Then we go to bi-weekly, and maintenance should be done really according to the individual. Other tips that have helped me facilitate weight loss and my weight management are powerlifting, which I do twice a week, Zumba, which really helps let go of abdominal weight, a high protein diet, daily dry body brushing, and you can check out my dry body brushing video and learn how to do this. Another one of my tips is my magic seeds recipe you can find on my blog, and this will help clean and scrub out old feces in the intestine and will really help you feel lighter. And of course, lots of water. I encourage you to now breathe, relax, and watch the treatment magic happen. You will hear from me again at the end before signing off.
So this amazing and effective treatment is really just one tool in your toolbox. It helps facilitate what you are already doing. And I always say that home care is extremely important. So I want to know, let me know in the comments what you are doing and if you need support with this. Thanks so much.